All right, it's a nice cool day out today, and I decided it might be a good idea to clean the dryer exhaust. So we're going to be vacuuming all this junk and giving the exhaust a good cleaning because I've never done it, and it's probably a good idea to do it more times than I have, probably like at least twice a year. So far all I've done is unplug the dryer, and this came off by itself. Turned off the gas. If you don't know already, this means it's on, and this means it's off. And all we really need to do this is a dry vac. So if you have one of these, that's all you probably need. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do with my dry vac, I'm just going to clean up all this excess dryer lint, just what I could get here, and then we'll move on to the next step. These dry vacs are loud, so if you have crappy hearing like I do, I recommend hearing protection. Let's take this off. Okay, so I saw this online on a short video. So for the next step, I'm gonna try blowing all the lint that might be stuck in there with a blower. So I lied earlier and I said all you need is a dry vac, but you also need a blower. And luckily for me, this dry vac also doubles as a blower. So this is what I'm gonna be using. This works correctly, the lint should be coming out of that little exhaust port right up there. Okay, so here's my little setup. I took the hose off from the dry vac, connected everything up. Let's see if this works. Here goes nothing.